How to check your laptop battery health in a single command.
Type CMD to open the command prompt and run as administrator. In the command prompt type powercfg-energy. Copy the URL and paste it into the search bar to open the battery information file. In this file, you will get two values. One is design capacity value, another one, last full charge value. See the example, those values are the same. The formula is design capacity value divided by the last full charge value equal to the health percentage of your battery. This means you have 100% battery health.